Are you ready to kickstart your job board business, but not sure how to attract your first paying clients? This is where most job board owners get stuck, but not you. In this video, I'm going to share proven strategies to help you find and win over your first clients so you can get your job board rolling in no time. Let's dive in. First, don't underestimate the power of direct outreach. Research companies in your niche. These could be local businesses, startups, or organisations hiring frequently. Reach out to their hiring manager or HR teams via LinkedIn, email, or even get on the phone. Share the benefits of your job board, like a focused audience and competitive pricing. Personalise your message to show how your platform can solve their hiring needs. Next, think about partnerships. Connect with associations, community groups, or even niche influencers who work with your target employers. For example, if you're running a tech job board, you could partner with coding bootcamps or local tech meetups. These partnerships can drive both traffic and credibility. Chances are you already know people in your niche. Use your personal or professional network to get the word out. Let them know you're launching a job board and ask for referrals or introductions. Sometimes your first client could be as close as a former colleague or a friend of a friend. Now, here's a powerful strategy. Use your job board itself to create value. You can scrape job postings from public sources or offer free trials to a select few employers. This fills your job board with listings, making it more attractive for other employers and job seekers. Just make sure you're following legal guidelines for any scraped content. One of the best ways to stand out is to specialise. Employers want to know they're reaching the right audience. By focusing on a specific industry, location, or role type, you can create a platform that employers trust. For example, a healthcare job board appeals far more to hospitals than a generic job board does. Now, once you've landed your first client or two, build social proof. Ask for testimonials or case studies that show how your platform helped them find great candidates. Even better, highlight key metrics like the number of job views or applications they've received. Success stories sell. Now, getting your first clients may seem daunting, but it's all about taking actionable steps. Start with outreach, build partnerships, and leverage your network to gain momentum. Remember, every job board owner has to start somewhere. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more job board tips.